Hi children, how are you? I hope you all are fine and safe. Did you complete your yesterday homework? Yes or no? Yes. Okay, very good. Glad to meet you once again through this online class. I'm happy for about it. Okay, let's get back to our maths class. In the previous class, we have studied addition. Is or no, ma? Yes. In the previous class, we have studied addition. Open your mouth and say the spelling for addition. ADDITION, addition. What is the spelling for addition? ADDITION, addition. Okay. Then what is the sign of addition? What is the sign of addition? Plus is the sign of addition. Okay, plus is the sign of addition. The addition answer is called open your mouth and say sum. Okay, the addition answer is called the sum. S-U-M, sum. The addition answer is called the sum. Okay, Vama? All of you listen. Sit on place. Don't see here and there. Okay, look at here. Open your mouth and say the spelling for addition. ADDITION, addition. The addition symbol is plus. Okay, how to use the plus symbol? Then the addition answer is called sum. The addition answer is called the sum. S-U-M, sum. Okay, Vama? The addition answer is called the sum. In this class, we are going to study about subtraction. Okay, in this class, we are going about to subtraction. S-U-B-T-R-A-C-T-I-O-N, subtraction. In this class, we will study about subtraction. Okay, S-U-B-T-R-A-C-T-I-O-N, subtraction. Okay, Mama? Very good. Then, listen. The simple minus is the sign of subtraction. The simple minus is the sign of subtraction. It is called the minus sign. Okay, it is called the minus sign. The answer we get after the subtraction is called the difference. The answer we get after subtraction is called the difference. Okay, Vama? Say the spelling for difference. Do you know? Okay, first I will say DIFFERENCE. Okay, difference. The simple minus is the sign of subtraction. It is called the minus sign. Okay, it is called the minus sign. The answer we get after subtraction is called the difference. Okay, Mama? Now, properties of subtraction. Okay, in the previous class we have studied properties of addition. Is or no? In this class we are going to study about properties of subtraction. Okay, Mama? Now listen, the first property, when 0 is subtracted from a number, it gives the same difference as the number. Okay, when 0 is subtracted from a number, it gives the same difference as the number. இந்த நம்பர் கூடயும் நம்ம 0வை சப்ராக்ட் பண்ணால் நமக்கு அந்த நம்பர் தான் கிடைக்கும். Okay, now 4 minus 0 means we will get 4. 5 minus 0 means then we will get 5. Okay, 10 minus 0 is equal to 10. Okay, Mama, this is property number 1. Then property number 2 is when 1 is subtracted from a number, gives the predecessor of the number as the difference. When 1 is subtracted from a number, it gives the predecessor of the number as the difference. Okay, can you understand? நம்ம எந்த நம்பர் கூடயும் ஒன்றை சப்ராக்ட் பண்ணால் அதோட predecessor முந்தைய நம்பர் in front of the number. Okay, we got the in front of the number. எந்த ஒரு நம்பரில் இருந்து ஒன்றை சப்ராக்ட் பண்ணால் அதோட முந்தைய நம்பர் நமக்கு கிடைக்கும். ஓகேவாம்மா? we got the in front of the given number. We got in front of the given number. Okay Vama? Do you understand? Okay, very good. Now subtraction. Subtraction of subtraction, subtraction of 2 digit digit num bers numbers. Subtraction of 2 digit numbers. subtraction subtraction of 2 digit digit num bers numbers. 59 minus 23. 59 minus 23. Okay, first write the places. Okay, always write the place first, ones, tens. Okay Mama, first write the place headings. Okay, ones, O means ones, T means tens. Okay, subtract the ones column. Subtract the ones column. Okay, 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3. All of you take 9 fingers. Then you cut 3 means remaining. How many fingers do you have? 6. 6 is the answer. Okay Mama. All of you take 9 fingers. Then you subtract 3 means remaining you have 6 fingers. Yes or no? Remaining you have how many fingers? 6 fingers. Okay, so the answer is 6. So the answer is 6. Then 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2. Tens. Okay, subtract the tens column. 5 minus 2. All of you take 5 fingers. Then you cut 2. Okay, 5 in the fingers. Then we have to cut 2 means remaining we have how many fingers? 3. Okay, so the answer is 36. So the answer is 36. Okay, then 96 minus 63. 96 minus 63. Always mark the place first, ones, tens. Okay, subtract the ones column. Subtract the ones column. 6 minus 3. Okay, subtract the ones column. All of you take 6 fingers. Then you subtract 3. Remaining you have how many fingers? 3. Okay, so the answer is 3. Then all of you take 9 fingers. Subtract 6. 9 minus 6. 9 minus 6. 3. 9 minus 6. 3. Okay Mama, do you understand? Is that no? Then 94 minus 32. 94 minus 32. Okay, always mark the place first, ones and tens. Okay, first subtract the ones column. Subtract the ones column. All of you take 4 fingers. Then subtract 2 means remaining you have how many fingers? 2. Okay. So the answer is 2. 4 minus 2, 2. 4 minus 2, 2. Okay. 9 minus 3. All of you take 9 fingers. Then you got 3 means remaining you have how many fingers? Remaining you have how many fingers? 6 fingers. So the answer is 62. So the answer is 62. Okay. Then next one. 75 minus 32. 75 minus 32. Always mark the place first. Ones, tens. Okay, Mama. Ones, tens. First, subtract the ones column. Subtract the ones column. 5 minus 2. All of you take 5 fingers. Then you subtract 2 means remaining how many fingers do you have? 3. Okay. So the answer is 3. Then 7 minus 3. Okay. All of you take 7 fingers. Then you subtract 3 means we'll get 7 minus 3. Do it yourself. 7 minus 3. Don't say the answer, ma. All of you take 7 fingers. Then you subtract 3. Remaining you have 4. So the answer is 43. So the answer is 43. Okay. Now all of you open your maths note. All of you open your maths note. Take new page. All of you take your maths note. Take new page. Write the heading subtraction. 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 Then subtraction of 2-digit numbers. Subtraction of 2-digit numbers. Write neatly. Okay, Mama? subtraction. Subtraction OF of 2 digit digit numbers numbers. Subtraction of 2-digit numbers. All of you write neatly and write properly. Okay. All of you write neatly. All of you, have you written? Have you written, children? Okay, I hope you have completed. Now listen, close your note. Listen, close your note. Subtraction of, now listen, don't write anything, okay? SUBTRACTION, subtraction of 3DIGIT, digit, NUMBER, numbers. Subtraction of 3-digit numbers. Okay, Mama? Listen. Subtraction of 3-digit numbers. 629 minus 416. 629 minus 416. Okay. First write the place. Okay. Always mark the place first. Ones, tens and hundreds. Okay. Subtract the ones column. First we have to subtract the ones column. Okay. 9 minus 6. 9 minus 6. Okay. All of you take 9 fingers. Then you subtract 6. Okay, Mama? All of you take 9 fingers. Then you subtract 6 means we'll get, what will come? 9 minus 6, what will come? All of you take 9 fingers. Then you subtract 6 means remaining 3. Okay. 9 minus 6. 9 minus 6, 3. Okay, Mama? Then subtract the tens column. Subtract the tens column. 2 minus 1. Then subtract the tens column. 2 minus 1. Okay. All of you take 2 fingers. Then you got 1 means remaining 1. 2 minus 1, 1. Then subtract the hundreds column. Subtract the hundreds column. 6 minus 4. Subtract the hundreds column. All of you take 6 fingers. Then you subtract 4 means remaining 2. Okay. 6 minus 4, remaining 2. Okay, Mama? 9 minus 6, 3. 2 minus 1, 1. 6 minus 4, 2. Okay, shall we write the next one? Okay, listen. 843 minus 732. 843 minus 732. Mark the place first. Okay, always mark the place first. Ones, tens and hundreds. Okay, subtract the ones column. First all of you subtract the ones column. 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2. All of you take 3 fingers. Then you subtract 2 means remaining 1. Okay, Mama? 3 minus 2, 1. Then 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3. Subtract the tens column. 4 minus 3. 4. Then you cut 3, remaining 1. Then 8 minus 7. 8 minus 7. Remaining 1. Okay. So the answer is 111. So the answer is 111. Then 494. 230. 494, minus 230. First, always mark the place first. Okay, always mark the place first. Subtract the ones column. First subtract the ones column. Okay, 4 minus 0. 4 minus 0. You will get 4. Then 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3. All of you take 9 fingers. Then you subtract 3 means remaining you have how many fingers? 6. 9 minus 3. 6. Okay, Mama. Then 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2. All of you take 4 fingers. Then you subtract 2 means remaining 2. Okay, so the answer is 264. So the answer is 264. Okay, then 555. 555 minus 342. 555 minus 342. Always mark the place first. Okay, ones, tens and hundreds. Ones, tens and hundreds. Okay, Mama. Always mark the place first. Ones, tens and hundreds. Subtract the ones column. First, all of you subtract the ones column. Okay, 5 minus 2. All of you take 5 fingers. Then you subtract 2 means remaining 3. Okay, then all of you take 5 fingers. Then you subtract 4 means remaining 1. Okay, then subtract the hundreds column. Subtract the hundreds column. 5 minus 3. Subtract the hundreds column. 5 minus 3. 5. All of you take 5 fingers. Then you subtract 3 means remaining you have 2. Remaining you have 2. Okay, so the answer is 213. So the answer is 213. Okay, Mama. Do you understand? This is subtraction of 3-digit numbers. This is subtraction of 3-digit numbers. Okay. Write this one. Open your note. Take new page and write. Okay, Mama. All of you open your note. Take new page and write. Subtraction of 3-digit numbers. SUBTRACTION. Subtraction. OF of 3 DIGIT digit NUMBERS numbers. Subtraction of 3-digit numbers. 629 minus 416. Then we will get 213. Second one, 843 minus 732 is equal to 111. The third, 494 minus 230. Then we will get 264. Then 555 minus 342 is equal to 213. Is equal to 213. Okay, Mama? All of you have written? Shall we write the next one? Shall we write the next one? Okay. Take next page and write. Take next page and write, Ma. Homework. All of you write with me. Okay. HW homework. Here you should write today's day and date. Okay. Subtract. 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 $282 21. 282 minus 21. 356. minus 342. 356 minus 342. Then 625 minus 113. 625 minus 113. 754 minus 232. Okay, Vamma? All of you have written 282 minus 21, 356 minus 342, 625 minus 113, 754 minus 232. Okay, next page. Take next page and write with me. 7248 minus 3134. 7248 minus 3134. 3863 minus 1852. Okay, then 9184. 1032. Then 4556. 1234 minus. Okay, Mama, listen also today's homework. All of you do your homework yourself. Next one we will see the next class. Okay, thank you children. Take care. Bye.